Hazrat Ali guided how to make a good friend. Aksiri sawaba wa salaha fi sohbati ul albab. Enhance your betterment and goodness in the company of wise men. Man la yashabuka mu'inan ala nafsika fa sohbatahu wa balun alayka in alimta. Whose friendship isn't helpful for you, remember then his friendship is burden on you. Hazrat Ali said to Kamal ibn Ziyad Nakhi as, Ya Kamalo, waddil muttaqin. O Kamal, do friendship with wise people. Jalis ahlal wara wal hikmati. Keep sitting with wise and wise people. Wa aksaru manakishatuhum, and continue with them academic discourse. فَإِنَّكَ إِن كُنْتَ جَاهِلًا أَلَّمُكَ. If you are ignorant, then they will teach you knowledge. وَإِن كُنْتَ عَالِمًا إِزْدَادُوا إِلْمَكَ. If you are scholar, then they will enhance your knowledge. وَيَحْسَنُ أَدَبَكَ وَتُزَكُّ نَفْسَكَ. And your behavior will better and self will be pure. He described Jalisul Hulama Tazdadu Hilman. Keep sitting with tolerant people. In this way, your tolerance will be increased, because Jamalu Rajulin Hilmahu. Man's beauty is in his forbearance. Amaratul Kalubi fi Maashirati Zavil Akul. Living and relation with the wise cause to enlighten the hearts. He advised, Alayka bi khwani sidqi fa innam iddatun indar khai wa junnatun indal balai. It is necessary for you to make true friends, because in times of comfort they are stock and shield in the times of trial. He guided, Ikhtar min kulli shayin jadidatan wa min al-ikhwani qadamahum. Always select new thing, but select old ones in friendship.